Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download MetaTrader4 application on your Android phone. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download MetaTrader4 application on your Android device is quite easy. Make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular network and open up your Play Store. Once you open up the Google Play Store, go to the top of the screen and in the search bar, search for MetaTrader4. Perform your search and once you see this application over here, which looks like this, tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. The MetaTrader4 Android operating system application is a full-fledged trading platform for Android Power mobile devices. It allows you to choose from hundreds of brokerage companies and thousands of servers and offers all you need for a successful forex trading. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the open button to launch the app open, and that's how you can easily download MetaTrader4 application on your Android phone. Once you get the application for yourself, you can easily find the application on your app drawer. That's how you can easily download MetaTrader4 application on your Android phone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.